Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TrendLineses.com. So in this video, guys, I want to make a full update on the global market. I want to go through SPY and QQQ price action. Let's get into it. Alright guys, I was talking about a bull trap in my last video, even in my two last videos, guys, and we had one. So let's analyze the situation. I'm gonna go from QQQ to SPY, and because everything happened together, of course. So let's start on QQQ. Alright guys, I did my last video, so 5 days ago. Around here we were consolidating, guys, you know, below this trend line. You see, we were having, you know, some drop in volume, some early signs of reversal. You know, a lot of investors were feeling like the correction might be over, but this is how B waves actually happen. All right, they make you think the correction is over, they give you a bull trap, and then you have the C wave. All right, so of course there is some news related. So here we had the inflation numbers that happened on the 10th of Feb that were a little bit higher than expected, which of course scared the market. But there is always a news that is going to scare the market. You know what I mean? What is important in trading is the news interpretation, not the news itself. If the market is bullish, if there is a strong bullish sentiment, bad news are still going to be bought, okay? And good news are going to be bought even more. So, of course, the news do the market, but what really does the market is the interpretation of the news. So here, I think that whatever the news would have been, the market would have sold. That's what I mean. The sentiment was bearish, guys, okay? The long-term sentiment, I mean medium-term sentiment was bearish, and we had the catalyzer, which was the inflation number. So let's analyze before what happened. So if I check here, guys, so we had this trend line, okay? I'm connecting the highs that are here, this high as well, and we were consolidating here, and then we jump above this on that day, guys, okay? Above this trend line, you know, above the 20-day moving average. And guys, I'm keeping this, all right? Because I remind you quickly what I was saying in my last video is that if you want to make the difference between a B wave and a new bullish cycle, you need to check at the volume and at the volatility, okay? It's very important. Once again, if you're interested to know more about how to use those indicators to trade a breakout, because here it's a very good example of a fake out that of course should not have been traded, click on the link in the description of this video and you're going to receive, guys, my full course very soon. So I still need 2-3 weeks maximum to prepare everything. So just subscribe so that I get your email, and I'm going to send you all the information with the massive discount that I will do at the beginning, of course. So let's apply the method I'm trying to give you guys in this course. And here basically on the trackers, it's a little bit different because trackers, you know, of the global market involve always huge volume during corrections. So the volume increase would always be lighter, but it needs at least to be stable, all right, for this breakout to be good quality. And here, I mean, it's the lowest volume that has been traded since the beginning of the correction. So this was telling you guys that this breakout is a fake out, okay? And it didn't take long to fake out. Sometimes it even takes a little bit more time. It's even a little bit trickier. Here it was not the case. It corrected right away, all right? So at least, you know, it's done. Okay, so what can happen from now? So first, SPY, same thing, guys, okay? Same trend line, same extremely low volume on this breakout, and same fake out right after. So is the B wave complete? B waves should happen in 3 waves, ABC. I mean, it could be complete, guys. It couldn't be complete. We could have a small ABC inside this ABC, all right? ABC here. So it looks like this is complete. Let me put this, just change the degree, minute, okay? So it looks like the B wave is complete, and that was starting a C wave. I thought it would happen a little bit later. I still took a short position here, like I said, guys. For those who are following me on Discord, you know I gave you the level to take this short position once again, because I'm just following, you know, the basic resistance levels that were here. And this was usually the level where the B wave likes to go. So let me just show you that quickly. Bam. So I think that this is what is coming, guys. This is what is coming. And very quickly for the top of the B wave, bam. Once again, everything is explained in the course. You measure the A wave and 61.8%, 3 Here 78, 377 was the top of the B wave, so here it was missed, but we still had the lows of the breakout that were here, and that could be used to start building a short position. So once again, what I did personally, I sold 370, I entered here guys, and once again, for those who are with me in Discord, you know it's true, and I wanted to add more on the upside, which I couldn't do, but I'm still short in this market right now to protect my long investment. And I think that this is what is coming, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? It looks like we are in the middle of a third wave, right? With a minus 3%. Third waves are usually very impulsive with huge moves, a lot of volume. So here the volume is bigger. It's not an extremely big volume yet. So let's see, guys, but Monday might be bloody, all right? Monday might be bloody. And if it is, then it makes things easier because then we're going to probably have a fourth wave correction, okay? And then a fifth wave. So here you can take another short position. It's not easy to take profits here or even buy the dip because first, this is going to be very shallow between 3 and 4. And it's very hard to know how deep the third wave of the C wave can go. So buying here is not easy. Selling here is. I mean, it's never easy, but it's a trade that is easier to make. We just need to find where would be the resistance. We're going to be looking for that, of course, guys. So that's what I think might happen. So for SPY, same thing, guys. So I'm giving you this scenario for quite some time. For now, I'm very correct about everything that is happening. So let's see if I'm still correct. You know, you never know. Trading is about probabilities, guys. So I think this is what we are seeing right now, guys. Okay, bam, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and we're in the third wave. So the third wave might go to, you know, 430 and then 4 and 5, guys. So, I mean, this is a scenario that makes sense. So of course, the best thing to do, guys, is to wait for the market to be around 400, 415 and to buy. All right, guys, this is what I'm going to do. Okay. And I'm short right now. So I'm just going to take profits on the way down and I'm going to reload a massive long position if I see those trackers close to these levels. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new, and stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.